Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my hair. I just washed my hair just now, so I'm going to be using this product again, and if it doesn't work, then I will use my curler wavy sponges. I have this sponge right here, and I also have this one as well, and I have this as well. Before I cut my hair, I used this, but it really didn't give me the curls that I wanted, so I want to try this and then see if it still works. This is the Netty Dread right here. I did a video on this. Yeah, okay. So like I said, I just finished washing my hair. You guys, as you can see, my hair is growing again. So yes, my hair is growing again, guys. Yes, yeah, it's growing. So the first thing I'm going to use is my shea butter. You guys, I've been having this for like 2 years or so, because I go back and forth with this and my grease, so I use this much. A little bit more. Next, I'm going in with my leave-in conditioner. You guys already know. I'm still using the Cantu leave-in conditioner. So far, this is the only product so far I'm using, and it's not flaking my hair. Okay, it's not flaking at all the other products I have been doing has been flaking, so far I'm not seeing none of that. So my hair is damp, so I don't need to add any other products anymore. So, and then I have my Cantu Shea Butter Curl Activator Cream, you guys. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna be using, and also my curling cream as well. I'm gonna mix this two together, and it gives me a better. I'm using the coconut curling cream. This smells so good, you guys. So I'm gonna mix these two together to get a good curls out of this hair. Okay, you guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and use this. So you guys, what do you guys think? It's holding up the curls. So you guys, I'm gonna go off camera now and see what I can touch up and everything else, and I'll come back when I'm done, okay? But this curls are popping, as you can see. When they dry off, it's beautiful. But you know, when it comes like right here where I have much hair, you see how bundle it is, like right here. Sometimes I separate them, sometimes I just leave it like that and let it just be. But yeah, I'll come back when I'm done. Okay you guys, so my hair is all done. So this is how it came out, and it's almost dry. And so let me know what you think down below. I think it came out pretty good. It could have been better, but you know, maybe my hair is a little bit thin. I'm not sure, but I think it could have been better. I don't know. But I'll keep doing it till I get it to my liking that I really like. It's okay. It's beautiful, but like I say, it could be better. So alright guys, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.